Oh yeah, we got some extra cherry tomatoes from our event. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make some fresh salsa. But I forgot to take the pictures of the onions, the garlic, the roasted jalapenos that I roasted everything together. I mixed it all up, and baby, we got some homemade salsa. Everybody at lunch loved it. They could not get enough, baby. That's how we do. We turn something into nothing. No waste around here, baby. Oh yeah, we got it up. We about to do a test run. I know definitely I need to get new batteries. I don't think this battery's that good, but it would get it going for a little bit. It lags about 5 minutes into the run. The light starts blinking on the ESC, so I think I have a bad battery. It came with the truck. So yeah, let's see if that $30 piece does the job, baby. Can't believe I got 2 of them for $200. All right, let's see if this one works. This is all aluminum too. So let's hope this bad boy works now. We catch y'all on the flip. Let's go bash something. All right, y'all. Got everything plugged in. All right, let's do a trigger pull. Oh yeah, y'all. Sounds good so far. All right, let's go do a test run, guys. Big rock. Alright y'all, we gotta do a test run. Let's see if this budget bill is worth it. Messing up on me, y'all. We're getting some new batteries coming in the mail. But right now, the battery's charged up. If we turn them back off and turn them back on, we'll get full power again. See, now I got full power again. So I think that battery's messed up. Woo-wee, baby, look at that. Got a little bounce to it. Man. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Y'all know what to do. Put some thumbs up, like, and subscribe, baby. We doing it. I love this 3S Big Rock. Having so much fun with it. The build wasn't too hard on it. And baby, we're going to bash them. We're going to crash them. And you know we're going to spend that cash on them. So thank y'all for all the support. See y'all on the flip side. RC Chef Chevy, baby. Out.